let's take a look at solving mixed equations with money amounts. If 5 golf balls cost $14 and the price of each golf ball is the same, how much does each golf ball cost? Okay, well, if we know that the total for 5 is $14 and we're trying to find the price of each one, we would need to divide. So we're going to set this up as a division problem, $14 divided by 5. Now, if you divide this, if you take your calculator and say 14 divided by 5, it's going to give you 2.8. But remember, we're talking about money here, so that would be the same thing as $2.80. Remember, you can always put a 0 after your decimal ends. So it's $2.80 per golf ball. In a video game, Andrew is upgrading his base. For 2 new towers, he pays $15.80 gold. How much does it cost to upgrade 1 tower? Okay, well, if we know the price for 2 towers, we can divide to figure out the price for just 1, or meaning for each tower, right? For 1 tower means the same thing as saying for each. So we're going to divide. If it was $15.80 gold, we're going to divide that by 2. And that gives us 7.9. Okay, so that's the same thing as 790. Remember, you can always add the 0 after your decimal ends there, and that would be the gold per tower. It costs $5.60 for 8 pairs of socks. How much does a single pair cost? Okay, well, if we know the price for 8 pairs, we can divide to figure out the price for a single pair, meaning for each one. So I'm going to say $5.60 divided by 8 . Okay, and that gives us 0.7, but remember, we're talking about money. So 0.7 would be 70 cents, right? If there's nothing in front of our decimal, it's a 0, 0.7, and then you can always fill in a 0 after. So 70 cents per pair of socks. Zachary pays $59 for 10 bottles of water. How much does a bottle of water cost? Okay, so we're going to divide $59. Now, since it's 0 cents, we can write it just as $59, and we're going to divide that by 10. Now, when you divide by 10, it's going to move your decimal point 1 place. So that would be 5.9, or if we write it as money, we would call that $5.90. Remember, filling in that 0 after our first decimal, right? Because this is the tens place where the 9 is, and this is our hundredths place. So we need to round to the nearest penny. In a video game, Gabriel is upgrading his base. For 9 new towers, he pays $39.60 gold. How much does it cost to upgrade 1 tower? Okay, well, if we know the cost for 9, we should be able to divide that to figure out the cost for just 1. So we're going to take 39.60, right, the price for all of those, and divide by how many towers, which was 9. Okay, that gives us 4.4, which is the same thing as 4.40 gold.